Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today I want to explain how to make smart parking in Metrobit with the Servo and also extension and Microbit. Okay, in here I will explain in the first is the variable in here set. Okay, the first Servo it will be the ping or the trick. It will be pin 12 and the echo it will be 13 and the unit or the we call jarak it's 2 centimeter. Okay, in the second servo the ping and trick it will be pin pin 7 and the echo it will be pin 6 and the cm or centimeter the unit I'll choose centimeter. Okay, let's go move on to the first servo or the code. Yeah, in here, sorry, there is sensor again. We need to add some logic in here. There is if yeah, if jarak or distance more than 0, and if jarak if less than 6, and status equal 0, server white pin 90 and pause 1000. Status will be 1. Okay. In here, the meaning is uh in this in here this code the meaning is like if the sensor is white uh the car the car is like 6 or less than 6 but not 0, it will be open the servo 90 dredge. And by the way, in here if the servo status 1 status 0 is meaning is like okay, the servo is not already open, and then you can open. It still can open because if the servo, if there is no signal, if the servo is already open, it will be bug. Okay, and here the servo with the pin, uh, 14, it will be 19. It's open and status 1 1. It's like on. Okay. And else, if the servo is already open or the status is 1, the servo with the pin 14 it will be turned around to the start position, and it will be paused, and it will be returned to the first uh, status to 0 again, and it will be can running again. Okay, if you see is not is familiar because it's same. Just change the pin and the status or the on off. Okay, this is the second pin. The second pin is the second servo. It seems the logic is just like the ultrasonic sensor writing the car and waiting, and it will be turned on, and give the message. It's already open, and it will be open, and it will be paused. Okay, and if it's already open, it's paused again, and set status to 0. And pin it will be pin 0. It will be 0 digits. It's let's say it start uh place, and on start let enable call. Yeah, I think that's all for me for my explain. I apologize if you can any message. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
This is the result.
This is the result our project, the smart parking with distance sensor. Okay, so in here there is some extension and microbit with the sensor in here. That the sensor read the code from here like this. It will read and set the code, set the status to 1, and if status 1, it will be open. Okay.
So in here you can see the sensor works perfectly using the wire here. So it will
Too
set.
late, bro. Too late. Like this.
Yeah, it will sense the sensor, the object, and the gate will open.
Wait.
There is the cooldown. Yes, the cooldown is 2 seconds.
Okay. I will explain the cable so hard. Okay. First this in servo 2, servo 1 first. Servo 1 go to pin 0 and the GND of sensor 1 go to GND in back here in color black, and the echo in the echo is the echo 7, echo 7, and the trigger is 6, and the VCC go to red lines, and in servo 2 going to pin 14, and and the second sensor in there, the second sensor, yeah, just like this lah. Okay. The meaning is like the sensor, it will be send message, and then the code, it will be run like servo white pin 90 derajat, or it will be open like this, okay, 90 derajat, and after that, after 2 seconds, it will be set to 0.
0 degree.
The logic is like if
When the car is
when the car in under of sensor, the sensor will detect
And send the signal
and send the signal
to the microbit.
to the microbit, and the microbit extension go to servo. Okay? Maybe that's all for us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.